Which can fly for the longest, the Mavic Air 2 or the Air 2S? Let's test them out.
Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and if you enjoy this kind of content, then hit that subscribe button below. Anyway, I've got two DJI drones for testing today. The brand new and rather impressive DJI Air 2S, just launched by DJI, which claims to have a flight time of around 31 minutes. While its older but very capable predecessor, the Mavic Air 2, claims a slightly longer 34 minutes, 3 minutes difference. The variation is largely due to the 25 grams heavier weight of the latest drone, the Air 2S, primarily due to its larger 1-inch camera sensor and additional obstacle avoidance sensors on top, equipped by the new model, giving it better photography, video and obstacle avoidance capabilities.
The batteries on the original Mavic Air 2 and the Air 2S are exactly the same, and therefore to keep this test completely fair, I've fitted two brand new batteries to each of the drones. Okay, so it's now time to start them both up at exactly the same time, and then we'll start the hover test.
I launched them at precisely the same time, and as you can see, both start with 96% battery available. Not quite sure why, as both batteries were fully charged and brand new. Perhaps it needs cycling a few times. The other interesting thing to watch is the position hold. The original Air 2 seems to hold its position and altitude overall better than the new Air 2S throughout this test. One final note, drones actually use more energy or power during a hover than they do in forward flight. Therefore, you'll tend to find that you'll get better flight time in gentle forward flight than you ever will during a basic hover. Anyway, let's fast forward a little.
So we're about a third of the way through now, and right now the Mavic Air 2 is winning by a margin of about 4 minutes extra flight time. But it all comes down to how long they can fly when the battery really is depleted. So let's crack on. So we are now nearing the end of this test, and very, very interestingly, Mavic Air 2 is saying it has 27% battery left, whilst the Air 2S only has 18. That's a substantial difference. So the Air 2S is now on critical landing, and it's trying to land, but I'm keeping it in the air because I want to get out of this battery as much as possible. Let's see, it says 2 minutes left on the battery. Let's keep it in the air until it really does need to properly land. So at this point, the Air 2S is reporting 0 battery, so I am going to land it now because I don't want to stress and damage that battery entirely. That's that now on the ground. In the meantime, the Air 2 is still going. Well, that's now going to critical landing, so I'm going to keep that one in the air as well, and we'll do exactly the same. We'll just push it until the very, very last percentage to see how much flight time we get out of it. So the Mavic Air 2 is still going, but it's now down to 0 and 0 seconds, so I'm going to land it to avoid stressing the battery.
So, what an interesting test, because we weren't just pitching these two up against each other, but also against the estimated flight times from DJI. Overall, the Mavic Air 2, quoted at 34 minutes flight time, flew for a total of 29 minutes, which isn't at all bad. And in gentle forward flight with no adjustments to the flight path or altitude, perhaps it actually would meet the DJI quoted time of 34 minutes. The new Air 2S, on the other hand, quoted at 31 minutes, only flew for 26 minutes. It is 25 grams heavier, yet carries the same battery as the Mavic Air 2, and therefore, of course, the flight time will be less, as we all expected. but I was hoping that DJI might have tweaked something internally to optimize its flight time. Sadly not.
So there you go, that's the flight time test of the Mavic Air 2 versus the brand new DJI Air 2S, which does weigh 25 grams more, remember. Hopefully the results were interesting. Regardless, comment below with your thoughts, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't care. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching.